welcome to Kavita's Edu Portal. In this video, we are going to see how to work with Google Drives. Okay, so to work with Google Drive, first you log in to your Gmail account. So go to your Google Apps. From that, you select your Drive. So you all know that in our computer we will normally have our local drive, whereas this Google Drive is a facility which permits us to store our data in a cloud, and wherever we are we can easily access that. And the same way, whatever data you want to share with other people also, that is possible once you store your data in Google Drive. Okay, so this is your Google Drive screen. So if you see here, the storage, I have only 0 bytes of this 15 GB use. That means I don't have anything much stored here. It's a very new Google Drive, just for making you to understand how a Google Drive will look like. So when you want to create any of the folder, okay, in this, so you can just click on new folder. You can give the name for it, say Google Drive test. Just I am giving some name and creating it. And if you want to remove it, that is also possible. You can just click here on remove. You can remove it. And whatever content now we are going to upload inside the Google Drive, suppose you want to share it, you just click on the share, give the mail ID of the person to whom you want to share it, just give that mail ID, or you can even get a shareable link and send that through your WhatsApp or Gmail to other people. Okay, that is possible. Then we'll see how to upload a file. So file upload, just click file upload. So I'll take just an example. I'll just upload it. So it has uploaded. And if I want to remove, the remove option is there. From there you can just remove it. Or even you can upload a folder itself. Sometime in my local drive itself I've created the entire folder. Now I want to upload the complete thing into my Google Drive. You can just click on the folder upload. Select that particular folder that you want to upload. Just give upload. Okay. Since it is a photo, it is taking little time. So now it has been uploaded. So I can access this from anywhere. And then next is the Google Drive also permit you to use all the other apps like your Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Drawings, Google Sites, like the n number of apps are there. All these application you can easily access from your Google Drive. So just click on Google Docs. Here itself you will have two options. Either to create a blank document, or you can directly create it from a template. Same way, Google Docs, it is similar to our word processing. Okay, so you can create your document, you can edit it, you can share it. Okay, and Google Sheet is similar to our Excel spreadsheet. Here you can create your Google Sheet and that content you can share it. Same way, the Google Slide is similar to your PPTs, okay, your Google PowerPoint presentation. You can create the Google Slides, that also you can share it. You can allow collaborators or other people to edit your slides too. That is possible. So apart from that, you also have your Google Forms. Google Forms, it is an app used for creating a quiz or a questionnaire. Okay, if you want to collect some data, we can use this Google Form. Even you can use this for assessment or evaluation purpose. Then you also have a Google Drawings. Sometimes I want to create some drawings that I want to share it with other people and I love them to edit. In those cases I can use this Google Drawing. So we'll see how this Google Drawing will work. So as similar to your Google Doc and Google Forms, etc., it will open with the untitled. You can give a name for it, you can save it, and if, the purpose of a Google Drawing is that I can draw anything whatever I want, because I have different shapes available, different lines available. Okay, so you can create your own drawings. Say example, I am a math teacher, I want to create a Venn diagram. So just insert the circle. So I used Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Choose this and you can change the background color, make it transparent, so it will look like the circle. So in this you can just add A and B, A intersection B, A, B, whatever you want to insert everything, you can do it and share it with your students. Okay. So that is the way your Google Drawings will work. Then one more important thing is your Google Sites. So Google Sites are nothing but similar how we have our website. Google is allowing you to create your own site. Okay, so you can create your Google site with your personal profile details, your education details, your research details, your publication details, your teaching content, everything together. You can create your own site and you can publish it either to everybody, the common public, or even you can publish it to selected people. That option is available. Maybe Google site, how to create and share, we will see in a separate video. So these are the various options available, and when you see this left side of the menu, first one, My Drive, this will display whatever content you have shared or you have stored in your own drive. Okay, that is your My Drive. Whereas this shared with me will tell you, suppose other people have shared some document from their Google Drive, that will be available in your shared with me. Then recent is what you recently accessed, and starred is whichever you marked it as important, and trash is what you have moved it into trash, okay, or whatever content you have deleted. And the storage space, if you see, in a personal account, Google is giving you up to 15 GB of data you can store it. But suppose if it is a G Suite account, then you can store up to 1 TB. And in a personal account, if you want to store more than 15 GB, then we have to buy the storage. For that, the better option is that Google is not restricting on how many Gmail account you can have, right? So you can create your own Gmail account. So based on that, each Gmail account you can have this 15 GB of data space being available. So I think that will not be a problem. So these are the way in which we can effectively use your Google Drive, and this is a very important app provided by Google that allow us to access the content from anywhere we are, and even it is making us possible to share the content with everybody. Okay, so I hope you understood how to work with Google Drive. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.